You already know. Let's get it. Scott, don't listen to anything he's saying. Don't listen to anything he's saying. Can't trust the Villanova Wildcats.
I'm just glad you're not mic'd up. Hold on, you are mic'd up. Dang.
Hey, don't worry about the strap. We ain't going tactics, all right? Then get to the free throw line, then you get a rhythm. All right, come on. Don't worry about the shots. Keep shooting.
Here's Murray, just 4 points, 1 of 11 shooting, mid-range, got it. Michael Malone says he lives for the moment.
That's all you gotta do is get in the lane, that conversion, kick out, swing. Open passes the whole time.
Randall backing in, off the double team, jumper, Hart, splash! Jaylen Brown probes and pulls out Embiid into the thin air. Reverse layup, got it, and count it. Wow.
Come on, JB.
Caldwell Pope gets a screen, he's gonna launch. KCP with a Titanic three.
Yes, sir. Come on, man, let's go get this game.
Lonnie Walker guarded by Curry. Walker, pull up. Walker hits another one. It's the Lonnie Walker game.
Come on now.
Remember somebody in the huddle saying, let's be great, let's go be great. Everybody communicating about the coverages. Everybody communicating about the matchups. But at the end of the day, pulling it together and competing your ass off. And last but not least, Lonnie Walker.